Hi you guys, this is Natalie from Simply Natalie. Welcome to my channel. In this episode I'm gonna share with you how to bake ginger banana bread. One of my subscribers left me in a comment and here is what it says. It's a great option to have a ginger banana bread house. So instead of gingerbread banana house, I'm gonna make ginger banana bread. To a medium bowl, we're gonna add 1/3 cup of white sugar, 1/3 cup of the brown sugar, and half a cup of melted butter. Now we're gonna mix this well, and we're gonna add half a cup of milk. Then we're gonna add a pinch of cinnamon. There. Half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And here I have a ginger already peeled. About a teaspoon of ginger. That should be enough. About 2 eggs. And we're gonna mix this everything very well. Now I'm gonna add 1 banana. I'm just gonna slice soft banana, really soft. So I'm just gonna add 1. You can add 2. And this recipe is for 1 lot. So, and you can mash the banana either with a fork, whichever is easier for you, or you can mash with the whisker. Okay, now it looks good. All bananas are mashed. And I'm gonna whisk this until all the lumps are gone. Just like that, looks good. And now we're gonna get a bigger bowl and we're gonna sip flour. So we're gonna add about 1 cup of flour, all-purpose flour, to a sipper. There. And I'm gonna combine. And when you combine, just mix it. Occasionally mix it. And just like that. Okay. And here we need some muscle. And it's ready to bake. Here I got a pan about this size, and I'm gonna grease this pan with a butter. There. So the oven already preheated, 350 degree. Now we can add this here, just like that. Now we're gonna bake this in 350 degree, about 45 to 50 minutes. I just got the gingerbread banana from the oven, and that's how it looks like. Try to show it to you. So delicious. I already tried it. Soft. So I'm gonna leave you a link with the description for this gingerbread banana. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you like this video. Give this video some love, thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends. and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!